To maximize your Hilton Aspire Resort credit, start by understanding what the credit is and how it works. The Hilton Aspire Resort credit is a benefit that comes with the Hilton Aspire credit card, offering $250 in resort credits per year. This credit can be used at participating Hilton resorts for various expenses such as dining, spa treatments, and activities. First, make sure you have the Hilton Aspire credit card and that you have not already used your resort credit for the year. Then, find a participating Hilton resort where you would like to use your credit. You can do this by visiting the Hilton website and searching for resorts that are part of the program. Once you have found a resort, book a stay that meets the minimum night requirement, which is typically 2 nights. After booking, you will receive an email with instructions on how to use your resort credit. You can also contact the resort directly to ask about their procedures for using the credit. When you arrive at the resort, let the staff know that you would like to use your Hilton Aspire Resort credit. They will guide you through the process of applying the credit to your bill. You can use the credit for various expenses such as room upgrades, dining, and spa treatments. To maximize your credit, consider using it for higher-priced items such as luxury spa treatments or fine dining experiences. You can also use the credit to upgrade your room or book a private cabana. Be sure to review your bill carefully to ensure that the credit has been applied correctly. It is also important to note that the resort credit is only valid for 1 year, so be sure to use it before it expires. Additionally, the credit is only valid at participating Hilton resorts, so be sure to check the list of participating resorts before booking your stay. By following these steps and using your Hilton Aspire Resort credit strategically, you can maximize the value of your credit and enjoy a luxurious stay at a Hilton resort. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the credit and to contact the resort directly if you have any questions or concerns.